The verb 认识 in Chinese grammar is typically used as a verb to mean to know, to recognize, or to get to know, to meet. 1. 认识 plus person, meaning to have met or to get to know. It indicates having met someone, knowing who they are, or becoming acquainted with someone in some way. This is the most common usage. Structure: subject plus 认识 plus object, person. Examples: 我认识他, I know him or I have met him. 你认识李老师吗? Do you know Teacher Li? 2. 认识 plus thing, character, meaning to recognize, to be able to identify. It indicates being able to identify a concrete, tangible object, place, or written character. Structure: subject plus 认识 plus object, thing, character, place, etc. Examples: 我认识这个汉字. I recognize this Chinese character, meaning I can identify this character. 这个地方我不认识. I don't recognize this place.
你认识那个总是戴着眼镜的男士吗？你认识那个总是戴着眼镜的男士吗？
Do you know the gentleman who always wears glasses?
认识，他是一位专业的摄影师。认识，他是一位专业的摄影师。
Yes, I do. He is a professional photographer.
我很想认识那位优秀的设计师。我很想认识那位优秀的设计师。
I really want to get to know that excellent designer.
好的，等一下，我介绍你们互相认识。好的，等一下，我介绍你们互相认识。
Okay, I'll introduce you to each other later.
请问你认识住在隔壁房间的同学吗？请问你认识住在隔壁房间的同学吗？
Excuse me, do you know the student living in the room next door?
不认识，他好像是上个月才搬来的。不认识，他好像是上个月才搬来的。
No, I don't. He seems to have just moved in last month.
听说他认识很多著名的体育明星。听说他认识很多著名的体育明星。
I heard he knows many famous sports stars.
是啊，他以前就是一名专业运动员。是啊，他以前就是一名专业运动员。
Yes, he was a professional athlete before.
你认识在图书馆工作的那位先生吗？你认识在图书馆工作的那位先生吗？
Do you know that gentleman who works at the library?
认识，他经常帮助我们 找到需要的书。认识，他经常帮助我们找到需要的书。
Yes, he often helps us find the books we need.
我们在旅行途中认识了一位厨师。我们在旅行途中认识了一位厨师。
We met a chef during our travels.
认识新朋友，真是件令人愉快的事情。认识新朋友，真是件令人愉快的事情。
Getting to know new friends is truly a pleasant thing.
我认识你说的那个总是微笑的女孩。我认识你说的那个总是微笑的女孩。
I know that girl you mentioned who is always smiling.
她性格特别开朗，大家都喜欢认识她。她性格特别开朗，大家都喜欢认识她。
Her personality is very cheerful. Everyone likes to know her.
我认识你上次介绍的那位优秀的医生。我认识你上次介绍的那位优秀的医生。
I know that excellent doctor you introduced last time.
他的专业能力在那个领域很有名。他的专业能力在那个领域很有名。
Her professional ability is well known in that field.
你认识这位非常有耐心的服务员吗？你认识这位非常有耐心的服务员吗？
Do you know this very patient waiter?
认识，他工作非常认真，而且很负责任。认识，他工作非常认真，而且很负责任。
Yes, he is very dedicated and responsible in his work.
他认识许多在外国留学的朋友们。他认识许多在外国留学的朋友们。
He knows many friends who study abroad.
通过他们，他了解了许多国家文化。通过他们，他了解了许多国家文化。
Through them, he learned about many national cultures.
这种植物的名称你认识吗？这种植物的名称你认识吗？
Do you know the name of this kind of plant?
认识，这是南方特有的一种花卉。认识，这是南方特有的一种花卉。
Yes, I do. This is a kind of flower unique to the South.
你认识这个复杂的化学符号吗？你认识这个复杂的化学符号吗？
Do you recognize this complicated chemical symbol?
不认识。我从来没有学习过化学。不认识。我从来没有学习过化学。
No, I don't. I have never studied chemistry.
我们需要认识周围所有的交通标志。我们需要认识周围所有的交通标志。
We need to be familiar with all the surrounding traffic signs.
认识这些标志对安全驾驶很重要。认识这些标志对安全驾驶很重要。
Recognizing these signs is very important for safe driving.
你认识这种特殊的植物生长环境吗？你认识这种特殊的植物生长环境吗？
Are you familiar with the special growth environment of this plant?
认识这种植物喜欢温暖潮湿的地方。认识这种植物喜欢温暖潮湿的地方。
Yes, I am. This plant likes warm and humid places.
我认识那家非常受欢迎的餐馆老板。我认识那家非常受欢迎的餐馆老板。
I know the owner of that very popular restaurant.
听说他做的菜味道非常地道美味。听说他做的菜味道非常地道美味。
I heard the dishes he cooks taste very authentic and delicious.
他认识许多古老的文学作品。他认识许多古老的文学作品。
He is familiar with many ancient literary works.
真是博学多才，值得我们大家学习。真是博学多才，值得我们大家学习。
Truly knowledgeable and talented, worthy of us all to learn from.
你认识这种独特的建筑风格吗？你认识这种独特的建筑风格吗？
Do you recognize this unique architectural style?
认识，它是著名的巴洛克风格建筑。认识，它是著名的巴洛克风格建筑。
Yes, I do. It is the famous Baroque style architecture.
你认识那些关于经济学的专业术语吗？你认识那些 关于经济学的专业术语吗？
Are you familiar with those professional terms about economics?
认识。我最近正在努力学习这方面知识。认识。我最近正在努力学习这方面知识。
Yes, I am. I am currently working hard to study this knowledge.
我认识这个标志代表着禁止停车。我认识这个标志代表着禁止停车。
I recognize that this sign represents no parking allowed.
对，在这个地方停车是违反规定的。对，在这个地方停车是违反规定的。
Correct. Parking in this spot is against the regulations.
你认识那个经常在公园跑步的人吗？你认识那个经常在公园跑步的人吗？
Do you know the person who often runs in the park?
认识，他是一位经验丰富的导游。认识，他是一位经验丰富的导游。
Yes, I do. He is an experienced tour guide.